Make a great choice today with
the 2027 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.